everybody. Welcome to our lesson number 9, how to identify masculine nouns in Spanish. I've been receiving a lot of queries from people where they're asking me how to identify a masculine noun and a feminine noun. I have been telling a few rules of how to identify a masculine noun and a feminine noun in my past lessons. But today I decided to make this dedicated video just to make you learn a little bit of tricks and give you some essence of the Spanish language. This video will tell you how we identify the masculine nouns, and it is very important because Spanish is a gender-based language. Each noun has its own gender, so it is very important to identify if it is a masculine noun or a feminine noun. So are you guys ready? Let's get started with the rules to identify masculine nouns. Rule number 1. Nouns that end with an S are masculine in nature. Example: el país, the country; el autobús, the bus; el mes, the month. Rule number 2. Nouns ending in MA are masculine in nature. Example: el puma, el sistema, system; el tema, the topic. Anything ending with an MA. MA is masculine. Rule number 3. Nouns ending with an R. R as in the letter R. Are masculine in nature. Example: el motor, the motor. Rule number 4. Nouns that end with an L are masculine. Example: el pastel, the cake; el papel, the paper; el redil, the fold. Rule number 5. Nouns that end with an O are masculine in nature. Example: el libro, the book; el niño, the kid; el sueño, dream; el diccionario, dictionary. Rule number 6. Nouns ending with an N are masculine. Example: el jabón, the soap; el jardín, the garden; el capitán, the captain. Rule number 7. About 50% of the words ending with an E are masculine. Example: el puente is the bridge; el diente is the tooth. These are words ending with an E and are masculine. So words ending with an E will be divided between 50% feminine and 50% masculine. Few examples here of the masculine part. Thanks for watching our today's video. Do like, comment, share, subscribe our YouTube channel. Are Ruko? Please press the bell icon to not miss any update of our language channel Bloomlingo, and wait for our next video as we are covering many of the concepts which will help you build your language skill. So, see you soon. Bye bye.